This is Madhurendra, and I welcome you in my channel Study RPA. So, we are extending the example, and today we will discuss the get multiple cell command in Excel commands. Okay, so whenever there is a requirement that you have to get the data from a range, from a range like A1 to A9 or B2 to B7 or any range, so in that time you can use the get multiple cell commands. So let's go and see how can we do that. So as you know, as we have previously discussed, ki like if you have to open the spreadsheet, then you have to provide the path. So I'm going to provide the path. We will take the same Excel sheet as we have discussed in earlier, as we have already taken in earlier sessions. I'm providing the session name and I'm providing a specific sheet name. My Excel sheet contains three sheets, so I just want to get the data from sheet 1. So now I'm saving it. So as I told you one more thing earlier, ki like we have to make this part dynamic. I have pasted my Excel sheet inside the Excel command that is present in my task folder. So I am just removing the path from C drive to automation anywhere files, and I will use the system variable a application path to make it dynamic, saving it. And now I will drag the get cell command, and inside the get cell command I will choose the get multiple cell command. So you can see the description: when this command will be executed by the task, the result row and column will be fetched in the memory and can be accessed using the system variable Excel column index within a loop for each row in Excel dataset. Okay, so I just want to get the data from our range. So what I'm doing here, I'm just providing from a specific cell to specific cell. So inside this text box, I'm providing like I need the data from A1 to A9. And let me see, let me check whether we have a data in A9 or not. Okay, we have a data in A9. Okay, so I'm just providing Excel cell from a specific cell to specific cell from A1 to A9 we want to get the data. So now we have placed the get multiple cell command there. So we have now we have to read the Excel sheet. So we know we have a specific loop for this, that is each row in Excel dataset. Let me provide the same session name that we have used earlier before. Okay, so uh, now we can extract the data. So let me place a message box here, and you know, okay, like whenever you have to get the data, whenever you have to get the data from the Excel data set, from a data set, so what you have to do in that time, you have to use a system variable Excel column here, Excel column here. So I'm just providing the system variable Excel column, and for getting the insert variable pop-up you just have to press the keyword shortcut F2, and I'm providing the value number. Now I'm saving the task and I'm running it. Have a look whether we are able to get the range or not. So you can see my automation is able to get the data from a range A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A9. So we have also seen one thing ki like header part is coming here. Header part is coming here. So let me remove that header part. So you can remove the header by two way. Either you can check the contains header checkbox, or otherwise you can use the if condition. Uh, if you will use the if condition, so with the help of counter you can also skip that. So counter is a system variable. If counter is equal to 1, and it is auto incremented. If counter is equal to 1, then what we have to do, I have to skip the loop. So continue loop is a command that is present inside the loop command that will help you to skip the iteration. So I'm just telling the robot ki if counter will be 1, or if you are trying to reading the data from row number 1, then you have to skip it. Let me close the Excel, otherwise it will throw an error for me. I am running it. It is running now. Taking a little bit longer. So you can see my header part has been skipped now, and it is reading the data from column number 2. You can also auto close this if you want by checking here, close the message box after 5 minutes, 5 seconds or 3 seconds. So let me make it 3. So this is all about forget multiple cell command. So we will meet again and we will discuss the get all cell command in the next session. Till then, take care.